Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Chrome or the Google app and preparing the text you want to find. Once the page is loaded, make sure you can select the target word. On desktop, highlight with your mouse, and on mobile, tap and hold. Then right-click or tap the selection menu and choose Search or Define. This launches Google's dictionary panel, so you get a quick definition and pronunciation without leaving your page. Fast and minimal interruption. Once the dictionary panel is open, you can dig deeper. Type Define, followed by a word in the address bar for an instant entry, or use the panel's tabs to view meanings, examples, synonyms, and different parts of speech. Make sure to click the speaker icon to hear pronunciation and tap example sentences to see context. If you need to reuse a definition, highlight and copy it, or press the three-dot menu for more actions like saving or sharing. To finish, close the dictionary panel and continue reading or repeat the lookup process when you need another word. If Google returns no definition, check spelling first, then try the root form or a common variant. Sometimes punctuation blocks a match. If the panel fails to open, make sure pop-ups and site permissions are allowed, or clear your browser cache and restart Chrome or the app. These steps usually restore the lookup feature quickly, so you won't lose workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.